Before we start, there is a link in description to try NordVPN at a great price. Open the Starlink app on your phone, go to Settings and enable Bypass Mode. This disables Starlink's routing and passes control to your ASUS router. Next, connect the Ethernet adapter from the Starlink dish into the WEWN port of the ASUS router. Power it on and wait for it to establish a connection. Now we need to set up the VPN on the router. Go to the NordVPN website and log into your account. Click Log In the top right and enter your email and password. Once logged in, go to the NordVPN section and scroll down to Manual Setup, click on it. This is where you can download manual configuration files. Choose then country you want to connect to. For example, let's use the United Kingdom. Click on Setup Configuration and look for OpenVPN config files. Download the UDP file for faster performance. Next, still on the NordVPN website, find your service credentials. These are not the same as your regular login. NordVPN provides a separate username and password for manual setup. Copy these and keep them safe. You'll need them during the router configuration. Now open a web browser and type your router's IP address into the address bar. For ASUS routers, it's usually 192.168.1.1. Press Enter to go to the login screen. Enter your router's admin username and password. These might be written on the back of your router. If you haven't changed them before, they could be something like admin for both the username and password. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the VPN section. Then go to the VPN Client tab. Click on the button that says Add Profile. A new window will open. Choose the OpenVPN tab in that window. You'll see some empty fields. Give your VPN connection a name like NordVPN UK. Then paste in the username and password you got from the NordVPN service credentials page. Now it's time to upload the configuration file. Click on the button to choose a file and select the OpenVPN file you downloaded earlier from the NordVPN website. It should be the UDP version for the country you selected. After uploading the file, click OK or Apply to save the new profile. You'll now see your new VPN profile listed in the VPN Client tab. To turn it on, just click the Activate button next to the profile. Your router will now connect to the NordVPN server, and all the devices on your network will be routed through the VPN. That's the full setup. If something goes wrong, check your router's settings or review the NordVPN guide for your specific model. Their customer support is also very helpful if you need assistance. By installing a VPN on your router, you make sure your entire network is protected. Phones, laptops, smart TVs, and even game consoles will all go through the VPN. It's a great way to stay secure and private online without having to install apps on every device. If you want to try NordVPN and get a great deal, the link is in the description.